Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Questrade mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Questrade mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in questmortgage.com and make a search. The official page of Questrade mortgage account will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your user ID and password associated with your Questrade mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on the link that says Forgot your user ID or password. This is how you can log into your Questrade mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.